Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sayyid Nazir Ali. I am a 6th grade student. I am doing Hifz in MS Hifz Academy, Toli Chogi branch. Alhamdulillah, I have memorized 5 paras. Today, I would like to present to you few important things related to the Holy Quran and practicing Hafiz Quran. The Holy Quran holds great importance to all Muslims and even all human beings. The Holy Quran acts as a beacon of light, guiding individuals through the journey of self-discovery. The Holy Quran encourages self-reflection, personal growth, and spiritual enlightenment, inviting individuals to ponder over its verses, derive meanings and relevance in their daily lives. Allah has stated in the Quran, "Inna nahnu nazzalna dhikra wa inna lahu lahafidhun." This means, indeed we have sent down the Quran, and indeed we will be its guardian. Among all the divine books sent by Allah, the Holy Quran is the only divine book that has remained unchanged. Almighty Allah has safeguarded the Holy Quran by preserving it in their hearts of countless peoples. And these who memorize the whole Quran and preserve it in their hearts are Huffaz, Hafiz Quran. A practicing Huffaz gains a special status, love and special mercy from Allah, and also hold great respect and honor from peoples in both the worlds. A practicing Hafiz Quran is given protection in every way. He or she will be protected from all sorts of ailments related to the heart and brain. He or she will also be protected from all the torments of the grave. A practicing Hafiz Quran will be rewarded with special bounties of Allah, like he will be given a palace in paradise, which has 70,000 gates that are etched with gold, silver and coral. Her supplications are expected and answered. Allah's anger cools down when he looks to a practicing Hafiz Quran recitation. On the judgment day, it will be said to Hafiz Quran to enter Jannah, reciting Quran and rise in his rank in paradise. For every verse he or she recite until he recite the last verse of the Quran. Allah will crown the parents of a Hafiz Quran the crown of light, the light of which will be brighter than the sun and will enrobe with an invaluable dress in Akhirah. Allah will allow a practicing Hafiz Quran to intercede for 10 family members who were destined for hell. At last, I would like to conclude to you that a practicing Hafiz Quran is successful in both the worlds. May Allah help us and guide us to memorize the Quran and practice upon it. Ameen.